Hello children, we are on lesson 8 sound and noise of class 5. Pollination and plant reproduction chapter is also there in your half yearly, but we will teach you later, okay? As that both chapters are interconnected or interrelated, so we will teach you later. So we are beginning with sound and noise. Let us see the key topics. Sounds around us, warning sound, pleasant and unpleasant sound, noise pollution, harmful effects of noise pollution. We hear different types of sound every day. Objects around us make different sounds. We cannot see sound but hear it. It is produced when an object vibrates. It requires a medium to travel. So there are various types of sound every day. And objects around us makes also different types of sound. We cannot see sound but we can hear it. So let us see sounds around us. We have a variety of sound throughout the day. From time we wake up till the time we go to sleep, we keep hearing different sounds. It is very true. At the time we wake up till the time we go to sleep, we hear varieties of sound. Some sounds makes us feel very happy. Some may be very loud or unpleasant. So let us see some common sound that we hear in our daily life. The ticking sound of a clock, tick-tock, every time we hear it. Sound produced by a doorbell. The ringing of a telephone. The creaking of a door when we open or close a door, the sound that door makes. The whistling of a pressure cooker. The sounds of musical instrument. The sounds of different appliances like fan, mixer grinder, washing machine. Raindrops that make a pitter-patter sound. Thunder that makes a rumbling sound. Fire that makes a crackling sound. The whistle by a night watchman. These all are very common sound which we hear in our daily life. Now coming to sounds made by living beings. Living beings like human beings, animals and plants makes various types of sound. Let us see sound made by human beings. Human beings make different type of sounds when they talk, laugh, sing, cry, shout, whisper, sneeze or cough. These are the varieties of sound that a human beings make. They also make sound when they are clapping their hands. When we clap our hands, that also produces a sound. Stomping their feet, rubbing their palms or snapping their fingers also makes sound. Now coming to animals. Animals and birds. They also make sound. Birds and animals also make different types of sound. For example, barking of dogs, mewing of cats, howling of wolves, cooing of pigeons, neighing of horses, buzzing of bees, chattering of monkeys, roaring of lions. These all are the sound of animals. Please remember, it may come in your exam. Animals and birds may use different types of sound to send out information about food, location or danger. They also make varieties of sound to inform about food, location or danger. Infobuzz is very important. Please take it out. A bat is able to locate its prey with the help of sound created by its wings. It can able to locate its prey with the help of its sound created by its wings. Now coming to sound made by trees and fallen leaves. Plants and trees makes a rustling sound when the wind blow. When the wind blow, plant and trees also makes a rustling sound. Dry fallen leaves also make sound when they are blown by wind. They make a crunching sound if we walk over them. If you walk over the dry leaves, you could hear a crunching type of sound. Next, coming to warning sounds. Warning sounds are the loud sounds that are used to alert people about any kind of danger or an emergency. If there is any kind of danger or emergency, warning sounds are used. You might have seen ambulance, you might have seen fire brigade or police van. They are used so that people can move out of the place or situation that may prove dangerous to them. That may be very dangerous. So the sirens are used. Let us see some common warning sounds that are used in different situations. The siren or the loud noise of an ambulance. You all have seen ambulance and its loud noise of its siren. It alerts the people to move out of the way so that the patient in danger can get the medical treatment at earliest. So it can get the medical treatment at earliest, so it gives a loud siren, loud noise. Next is siren of fire engine. Also warns the people or vehicle to give pass that allows the fire engine to move very speedily. Vehicles and passenger on the road help fire engines to reach the spot as quickly as possible so that the fire can be controlled and people trapped in the fire can be rescued at earliest. Similarly, fire engines, if you have seen, it also gives siren, loud sound so that people are alert and they give away the space so that they can go and rescue the people who are in danger. Next is the fire alarm. Warns people about the fire in a building. When we hear the fire alarm, even though we cannot see the fire, we must immediately leave the building and evacuate the place. If you have seen a fire alarm, it warns the people about the fire in any building. It also helps to alert people responsible for fire fighting. Next is a police van siren. Makes a loud noise that warns people to move out of the way and allow the police vehicle to move fast so that they could reach the people in danger and as quick as possible, so that they could reach to the people very fast. Next is our pleasant and unpleasant sound. So what is a pleasant sound? Any sound which we enjoy hearing or we feel relaxed is a pleasant sound. Please underline it. Let us see some examples. When someone plays musical instrument, they produce pleasant sound. Sitar, guitar, flute, harmonium, etc. Gentle chirping of birds, sound of gently falling rain, rustling sound made by leaves. These are all pleasant sound. Soft and pleasant sound make us feel very good and cheerful. We feel very happy. Next, coming to unpleasant sound, the sounds that make us irritate and uncomfortable are called unpleasant sound. The honking sound of vehicles or sound of shouting, yelling, screaming irritate us and we feel stressed. If we hear unpleasant sound, we become very stressed out. Other examples of unpleasant sounds are loud sound made by aircrafts, sound produced by loudspeaker, loud sound of bursting of firecrackers, noise from generators. These all are the examples of unpleasant sound. Noise from factories, music played on a very high volume, loud explosion, rumbling of thunder. This all comes under the category of unpleasant sound, which makes us feel uncomfortable. On hearing such sound, we feel stressed and unwell. Next part we will give in the next video. Thank you.